Look at me.
Cute, huh?
I love my PS4.
Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you.
Hello everyone. Welcome to my special video because it's my birthday. I'm bringing sweets to school to give to my friends since it's my birthday. I hope you'll enjoy this video. This is the night before my birthday. I am waiting for my PS4 to arrive, but I fell asleep then. So that's sad.
Happy birthday, Tina.
Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday
to you.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to dear Noah.
Happy birthday to you.
No, the loud birthday song couldn't wake me up.
Tina.
I slept and missed all of the fun of my PS4.
Tina. Open your eyes.
My sister tried to tickle me and wake me up, but still that didn't work. Silly me. When I woke up in the morning, I was looking for my birthday surprise. Ha! Yay! Now I found my birthday surprise.
Is it real PS4?
Yes.
No.
Yes. What is this? Is it
Nothing.
PlayStation 4?
Really? Look at me.
Cute, huh?
Thank you, Baba.
You are welcome. Marke, thank you, Bolo.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Baba.
Happy?
Uri Baba, Uri Baba.
Happy?
You remember when I was saving money for my PS4 and now I have bought it and my dream came true. Now, which way is the right way? What's here? New gaming headphones. Manual. Oh, power cord. A dual shock controller. And a HDMI cable. Now let's see. What is this big thing? Looks like let's just put these aside so it'll weigh less.
Kotto excited, really?
On it.
Pull karo.
Full.
Yay!
Now it's time for unwrapping everything. Yep, it needs a power supply to turn on. Now it's time for unwrapping or opening. First in a long time I've ever held the controller. I love my PS4. You're my new friend. Now we got a power cord. Now this is a HDMI cable. And the last of all, not the last of all, is the USB cable for charging this or for turning it on. And the last really is one earbud. It's really weird that the earbud only has one earbud, and it's funny. My mum prepared all of my favorite dishes all at once. Pudding, pakora, cake and cottage pie. These are all of my favorite foods.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
dear Noel. Happy birthday to you.
hip hip.
Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray!
Are you happy, baby? Or sad, baby?
Happy baby. 1,000,000% happy baby. Mine.
You just want one of these squares, or how many squares? It's because the meat is at the bottom.
Meat's at bottom. Which I like the most?
Yes.
I guess the pudding. You've already seen my PS4 come, so this is the game. So let's unbox it. Minecraft. If I can't do it with that, I noticed there's some PlayStation tape. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!